Okay, go.
Here we go. Sam's gonna break the board and have it in his fist. You recording?
Oh, Dexter, go ahead. Get that freaking thing away from me. I didn't go all forward. That's why I didn't go all the way. Oh, I guess we all fist. Top of your fist, too. Not...
I ain't gonna break. I'll try.
Are we throwing this away?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
won't
sure.
take it.
Cool. We're done with that. You gotta commit. I didn't commit all the way.
Ready, Karen? You recording this?
Yeah.
What?
He
No,
he
man.
did
I
it.
can soften it up for you.
No.
Where do I throw this at?
What?
Where's the trash?
I'll throw it away. It's over here.
Sorry.
Dexter.
Are you gonna keep crying? Your little
No.
black heart out? Ew, why are you all sweaty?
Because, Karen.
Look at the sweat on
Because I'm
Sam's forehead.
a swole. Karen, you
Ew, look at the bag.
You been hit with a board?
Ugh.
I hope all that on video. Sam not breaking.